Hey everyone, want to export videos from Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to save and download your AI-generated videos step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Next, go to your dashboard and open the AI video project you want to export. Now preview your generated video and make sure it looks exactly how you want before saving it. After reviewing the video, find the export or download option. This allows you to save your completed AI video to your device. Select the available export settings, such as video quality, resolution, or format if those options are available. Click the download button and wait for the video file to finish processing. Once the download is complete, open the saved file and check the video quality to make sure everything exported correctly. Finally, organize your video files and use them for YouTube, social media, marketing, presentations, or other creative projects. And that's how to export videos from Luma AI. With just a few steps, you can save your AI creations and share them anywhere you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.